Hey there everyone, this is me Sparsh here to introduce our prototype, the Sunken Torch. Portable light sources such as headlamps and flashlights rely on a power source that is independent of the grid. Often, these light sources are used irregularly and are needed in emergency situations. And if powered by batteries, tend to not work when needed, as the batteries have died. Even if rechargeable batteries are used, recharged batteries must be available when those powering the light source die. As a result, alternative designs have to be developed that provide a ready power source. Now, there exists a need to provide a portable light source that can be powered on the go. This would remove the requirement for batteries, toxic chemicals, or kinetic energy and would provide a flashlight that does not create any noise or vibrations. Our prototype comprises of the thermoelectric generator concept for extracting the body heat from the user. The thermoelectric generator is located on the surface and the heatsink in contact with the inner surface of the thermoelectric generator. The heatsink is configured to provide cooling for maintaining the difference between the temperatures of both sides. It is known that the thermoelectric generators such as Peltier modules work on the Seebeck principle, which can be used to produce the electric current. The Seebeck effect states that the electric current is produced when two dissimilar metals are joined and one side of the junction is cooled while the other is heated. A thermoelectric power supply converts the thermal energy into a low power output. For use, a user grabs the flashlight such that their hand is on the Peltier module, more specifically their palm. The temperature differential between the sides is approximately 37 degrees Celsius. Palm on the outer surface of the Peltier module and the heatsink on the inner surface of the Peltier module generate sufficient power to light the LED, which from experimental results appear to be about a 5 degrees Celsius to a 10 degrees Celsius temperature range. The device is switchless and is turned on by the user's body heat. Our Peltier modules produce approximately 50 mV to about 100 mV voltage. As about 2500 mV is needed to light an LED, the voltage needs to be increased. So, a power converter integrated circuit was used with a 100:1 step-up transformer to provide the required voltage. These two components were coupled to a 47 UF capacitor to provide a circuit which was coupled to the LED. This provided good LED brightness with less than 50 mV DC loss. Now, after designing the body of the torch with the heatsink, the Peltier modules, and the LED and its circuitry, it's now time to show the results. But due to unavailability of the components in the coronavirus lockdown, we made a 3D model preview which shows the renders and the functionality, the simulations, and its insides. We also got in contact with the Hacksmith Industries and they gave us a very honest and a fair review on our prototype. You can pause the video to read the screenshot of the Gmail they sent us. All of the research done and the pictures of the models and more information about the project can be seen in the attached PDF. Thank you.